In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create to-do list in ClickUp. First, open your browser and head to the ClickUp login page. If you're already signed in, great, you'll land in your workspace. If not, look for the Continue as option to quickly proceed with the account you've used before. If a Google sign-in window appears, choose your Google account to authenticate and complete the login. This keeps everything connected to the right workspace without extra setup. Once you're in, navigate to the project or list where you want your to-do list to live. This keeps your tasks organized and ensures teammates can find them in the right place. After selecting the right spot, switch to Board View. Board View is the Kanban-style layout that makes it easy to scan tasks by status, and it's a comfortable place to open a task and add details. Open the task that needs a to-do list. If you don't have a task yet, create a new one first, then open it. Clear task names help later, so choose something specific like Website Launch Prep or Client Onboarding. Inside the task, find the option to create a checklist and click it. A checklist in ClickUp acts like a mini to-do list within the task, perfect for breaking big work into small, finishable steps. Give your checklist a short, descriptive name so you can tell multiple checklists apart at a glance. Now it's time to add items. Click New Checklist Item to create the first line. Type the name of the item. Keep it clear and actionable, starting with a verb like draft, review, or upload. Press Enter to save it and instantly create the next one. Continue this pattern to build out all the steps you need. Each item can be checked off as you complete it, giving you a quick progress snapshot right inside the task. As you add items, think about the natural order of work and write each line to take less than an hour whenever possible. Smaller items are easier to start and finish, which keeps momentum high. If you make a typo, just edit the item in place. Changes save automatically. That's it. You logged in, opened the right project or list, switched to Board View, opened a task, created a checklist, named it, and added items by typing and hitting Enter. You now have a clear, trackable to-do list in ClickUp, ready to guide your work and keep everything moving.